Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to simply export your Google account data. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome browser. I'm going to click on here to open up my Chrome browser. You have to open up your Chrome browser. Next thing you need to do is to come to search or type URL. So you have to visit, then you have to type in Google Takeout. Then click on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Google Takeout right here. And you will be taken right here, Google Takeout. Now here, your account, your data, export a copy of content in your Google account to back it up or use it with a service outside of Google. Now you can scroll down right here, you see all your data right here. So access log activity, you can check on that also. You can scroll down right here and make sure you check on every data you want to export from your Google account. If you don't want to export some certain data, what you need to do is to make sure you uncheck them. So I'm going to simply click on uncheck right here to remove that, and I'm going to uncheck this. Then scroll down and see as many as possible data you want to uncheck, so that if you don't want to export everything, I'm going to uncheck this. Then you can scroll down, and next thing you need to do is to simply click on next step right here, and you'll be taken right here. So here, destination transfer. So right here, you make sure you click on here, and then you can choose where you want to receive the file. So you can add it to your Drive or Dropbox or OneDrive or add to Box. So it depends on how you want to receive the download file. So right here, you can leave it send download link via email. So you can leave it in that option. Then scroll down right here. Then right here under the frequency right here, you need to determine how often you want your file to be exported to you. So you can decide to export it for once, or better still, you can decide to export it every 2 months for just 1 year. So I'm going to simply put it in export for once. Then right here, you have to come to the file format. So click on here and choose the file format you would like to have. So you can have zip file or TGZ. Then you have to simply scroll down right here and file size. So you need to determine the file size of the data you want to export, either 1 gig or 2 gig or 4 gig. Everything depends on the size of data file you would like. Once you select everything, make sure you click on create export, and it's going to be exported and send the download link into your email provided by Google account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply export your data in Google account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.